Gaat ie lekker? Leuk?
Let's make my hair wet!
This week, find out why our first dinghy ride didn't end so well and visit one of Cyprus's best spots with us, Cape Greco. We have minimal experience, so a lot to learn about sailing and catamarans, which we cannot wait to share with you. Join us for our sailing adventure as we jump into the deep and make our dreams come true. Okay then, time for another test run on the dinghy. It's a beautiful, really calm morning, so it's awesome. So we'll just go out of the marina in front directly to test it out for a bit, get used to it. And that's it. Okay, Jolien. Jump in.
Jump in?
Oké.
Yay.
Nou, jij mag...
Hij doet het niet voor mij.
En dan de touw in de boot.
Als er wat gebeurt, dan moet jij even...
Papa
Ready?
zit veel te veel aan het
Kijken of die wil.
Als je ook met dat snoer.
Start, die is open, die staat neutraal, die staat open.
Nee, hij neer.
Pas op dit snoer. Ja, is je ook aan. Die staat
Pas op met je elleboog. Ja. Nee, maar zo zit het wel.
En als het te lang duurt, dan wissel je. Als je nog gaat, dan word je ook.
Yes.
Ja, mag je loslaten.
Goed.
Yay.
Voorzichtig ook.
Okidoki, let's go. Out to the marina. Just go to the bay directly in front.
Aye aye, Captain.
All fine, right? Well, you just missed most of the action, but success for our first beach landing. That was fun. The water is gorgeous. We have to swim, although super cold. But now the sun came out properly, so
I hope so.
Let's go. Let's get dressed for this.
Ga maar staan hier. Het is fris.
Ja, het is fris.
Het is fris, Chris.
Yep.
Het is koud van de hout. Hoi!
Wow.
Ja.
Lekker.
Ja, kan het?
Ja, het kan. 7th of March, what do you think?
It's cold. It's very cold. And
Is it too cold though?
Half March in the Cyprus Sea.
Ja, en dan?
Let's make my hair wet. Hoi.
Wow, je haar is nog droog.
Wow.
Someone mentioned getting your hair wet, right?
Oh no. Okay. I can do that. I can do that too. 1, 2.
Heerlijk. Oké dan. Lekker hè?
Nou.
En dan is het echt wel lekker hoor. Really not that bad.
Nee.
Once you're through, it's amazing.
Het is gewoon...
And look how clear and calm. It's gorgeous. Okay. So half a tank of fuel is not enough to get around the corner. Oh well. Now we know. That goes much quicker than we thought. Gaat hij lekker? Leuk? We zijn er bijna.
Laat.
Gaat het goed? Nee. Nee.
In de eerste.
We're making it back to the marina.
We gaan niet in de eerste.
Not exactly a straight course, but pretty good, huh? And they're not even tired. You might have to invest in an extra fuel tank here. The one in there empties very, very quickly. Yeah.
I wanna go home.
We're going home, you shack.
Getting back to the boats.
That's the boat. That's the boat. Van mijn oom soon.
Ja. Dan komen we steeds dichter bij de boot.
So, we learned here that enough fuel is pretty handy to get back to the boat quickly. Then it was time to find the girls some good old playgrounds before we headed out to Cape Greco. Look what a nice play area we found! Mooi! Wow! Josja! Zo, Lily ook? Goed zo.
Kijk.
Een space. Naar de bos. And then we headed back to the boat with more groceries and for a bit more fun with Opa.
Een beetje zo. Doe je duimpjes erin? Kom eens hier met je duimpje. Klein duimpje. Klein duimpje.
Hier is het leuk, hier. Hier is het leuk. Doe maar zo je hand. Doe maar zo je hand.
So, time for a quick break from all of the boat work. We drove to nearby Cape Greco to get some exercise and take in some nice views. Should be amazing here. Let's see what it's like.
Zat hier dan vast, die hoek zo.
Ja.
Hier is een heel groot veldje.
Ja.
Hier?
Ja.
Nog één. Heb je er nu twee?
Ja.
This place behind me here is what they call the Blue Lagoon here. Yeah, super nice. February right now, it's a bit fresh to swim, but may have to come back in the summer.
Heb je ook een week reis, man? Hier, deze.
Ja.
Koud.
Nou,
Nou?
opa zou het wel aankunnen.
Ja? And that's it for today. Back to the car, back to the boat. Dicht, open. Ja. Thank you so much for watching and for following our story as we prepare to sail the world. Subscribe to see a lot more.